There's Samuel, my colleague, and Mr. Raymond. And here,
We need to share. Shares to the where's my class?
some mountain here.
All of mountains.
What is this?
And you still have your salmon.
Oh my. Giant. So this is a happy dinner. We have to move around later
Yes.
to burn the calories.
That's the guy. That's what I'm going to do. Cheers.
Yes.
For the friendship.
For fun.
So you have glass, son?
Madam. Can you take photo? What? But I don't know how will they make it stinted.
Yeah, it's supposed to be brown food.
What?
Wow. I love pizza, guys.
Carbonated water. I like that salmon made water. Oh, alam ko naman namin.
He bit his lip third time.
The same location. The same.
Oh my.
I want to have coffee.
Guys, amazing food. Salmon. Ang sarap. Mo try mo to. Sulit sa price to. Hey guys, keep eating guys. Sorry. You combine that together to free some space.
Yeah, I think it's very good.
So you can take this one. Which one has more? Yeah. Lift it. Can you lift it? Yes, so you can reach this together. And the light here. Wow. Romantic. We have here. Wow, nice. Oh. Good. Good. Tea, juice, flowers, and my friends. I will ask them to wrap this.
Yeah.
Pare? We cannot finish. We will take out.
Tried our best.
We tried our best. See one.
It seems our best was not enough.
Yes, it's a song. I guess my best wasn't good enough. Oh, they're cooking the pizza mon by by wood, firewood. I'll just take some videos. So. I'll just take some videos. Iftar. Nice car, oh. Oh, Nissan. Sasakyan ko. Ganda, no? Wow. Healthy Abs Kitchenette. Reconnaissance patrol.